Hey Cynthia, we're going to look at another question on your test. This one should be even easier than the last one because there aren't any fractions. So this is the one we're going to look at, and I'm just going to be giving you some examples. So we're going to be working with this the same way that we did the other one, where we need to figure out what x is, and then we need to plot it on a graph. And so I'm going to give you a couple examples here. So say we had 52 plus x is greater than or equal to, let's say, 106. So now this is just a one-step equation. What we have to do is get x by itself. So the thing that's keeping x from being by itself is the 52. And so we're going to subtract 52, and we have to do it to both sides. So what happens here is it goes away, which is what we want. So now we have x is greater than or equal to 106 minus 52 is going to be 54. And so what that would look like on your graph, on your number line, let's say this is 0, we'll say this is 54. Now, this is going to be a closed circle. It's closed because we have this equal sign under here. So we're going to have a circle here that is completely closed, and greater than means that it goes to the right. And so it'll be like that. Another thing that we're going to look for here is if we ever have a negative, which actually we don't even have any negatives here. And so if we just do one more example, let's say 100, let's do x minus 100 is less than, let's say 71. What's keeping the x from being by itself is this negative 100, so we have to do the opposite of negative 100, and that's to add 100. And what will happen here is the negative and the positive 100 cancel, which is what we want. So we have x is less than 71 plus 100 is 171. So if we graph that, this is going to be an open circle because there is no equal sign under here. So let's say this is 0 over here. Let's say this is 100. It's going to be open, and it's less than, so it's going to be going to the left. Okay, hopefully this is helpful.